The cats on my trail cam are out there in the woods living their best life. Look at this one right here. It's just after 2 a.m. and she's probably thinking about what she's going to eat for a late night snack. Maybe a mouse, maybe a rat, or anything else she can get her paws on. Here she is again. It's a beautiful fall day in November, about 51 degrees. As she walks across this tree, she's probably just thinking about what she's going to do today. Well, I put my trail camera about 6 foot high in a tree, and a cat jumped up there to check it out. It's almost like she said, "Who put this trail camera up here? I didn't know I was under surveillance." This cat has been out there in them there woods for at least the last 3 years. Look at him with his white chest sticking out. Well, he almost looks royal out there in them woods, standing on that tree. Probably spends part of his time in the woods and the rest of it in the neighborhood and getting into everybody's trash. He's a good hunter and can move real fast when he has to. My trail camera captured this cat out in this one particular location for about a whole week. Well, I didn't know what it was doing at first, but then I figured out. It was out there hunting. What is it looking for? Mouse, rat, possum, something. After about a week, it finally got what it was after. A mole rat. This mole rat didn't have a chance. I can only wonder if she ate this thing all in one sitting, saved some for later, or took it home to her kittens.